Step number 1. Go to Google account page via the domain or via Google Chrome browser. Go to Security. Find Less Secure App Access. Turn the option on. Step number 2. Go to Network. Go to Email. Enable email notification for alarms and fill in below info. SMTP server. Port number matches with encryption type TLS. Username. Password. Anonymous. Receiver. 3 different receivers are available. Email address. Sender. Subject. Length less than 64 characters. Encryption type. Recommend to be TLS. NAND and SSL needs to change port number accordingly. Health mail and sending interval could set optional. Press test to continue. Now email test is successful. Test email could also be found in receiver's Gmail. Step number 3. Different type of alarms and detections. All support send email link for alarm notification. Take motion detection for example. Click send email. And also the AI detections. For face detection, click send email. For IVS, click trigger icon and click send email. Now we could receive alarm notification in Gmail.